Here at Truck Access Plus, check out the new Extang Endura ALX hard folding cover. It sits very low profile. It looks really nice, very secure. This is the new industry leading hard folding cover. So you can see what makes it different here. This has a latch that you twist. So this new Extang latch, you twist like that, and it uses the rail to lock it like that. And then you flip it up, flip it up. This has a cable under here to unlock. And then each time you fold it, it locks. It has padded bumpers to protect the back, and then you can drive with it right here and buckle it right there. You get full bed access, and then this one does not touch the back window. It stops like that. You could also take it off with knobs under there if you need to take it off.